What's up, guys? Brendan, the Crypto Buddha from Market Makers with your daily XRP update, guys. All right. As you know, if you watch my Bitcoin video, if you haven't, check it out. I do expect a major correction in Bitcoin, and there may be one more last-ditch effort pump up to the 52K line, which would be the corrective market structure for Bitcoin, okay? But again, I would expect that to crumble because all these pumps have been artificial. Watch the video if you haven't watched it yet. You'll understand what I'm talking about because you need to consider Bitcoin price action when talking about XRP or any of the alts. However, I have seen a lot of news articles, well, not news articles necessarily, I guess articles written by traders and other things like that about some different theories about how XRP could start moving independently from Bitcoin, which is actually very interesting. Not going to get into that. We're going to get into the TA here, okay? So let's look at this. So right off the bat, did we paint any shapes? Well, we can squish the bar chart up a little bit, and it does look like we have a disjointed double top here. You can see, and it does look like we broke the neckline, and you see your dissension, okay? So that's that. Again, still tied to Bitcoin at some level, regardless of what the new articles or traders are saying, because you can see the price dissension. Now, you did have a meteoric rise up, so that's quite interesting. You can see here on my two temas, you have a bearish cross, and you're descending from that as well. That is a bearish sign, okay? So keep that in mind. Let's look at our support levels of where we're at. Let's throw in some GAN. You can see we're trading at 118 right now, which is between the 121 and the 116 level. We're going to be ping-ponging in here a little bit, and we'll see what happens with that. Again, if Bitcoin does have that last-ditch effort mega pump, you could see XRP move up. Again, things to consider when you're talking about strategies with XRP, okay? And if we do continue to descend, obviously consider that as well. Let's turn off GAN and let's look at Ichi. Let's see where we're at in the cloud. So we did fall through our moving average and we're falling through the cloud, all right? That means most likely this cloud will be a red cloud that's forming right now. And ideally in cloud trading, I was a cloud trader for a long time, guys, about 20 years. You trade beneath the cloud. Doesn't mean you can't come back up through it with good news or good price action. So that's also something to keep in mind. Let's check out the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame, I have my ATR volatility trend lines on, not really affecting the price up here. You can see the same pattern, double top, and you can see that it did break, and you can see it descending, okay? You don't have a bearish cross yet on your moving averages, my two temas. This is a delayed time frame. It takes 4 1-hour candles to make a 4-hour candle. And let's go ahead and look at Ichi and see if that is any different at this level. Let me turn that off, and let me turn this off and turn that off. And here we go. So you did lose your volume weighted moving average. You have a nice support cloud underneath you still. But again, if you keep seeing dissension, you're going to fall into that cloud and then you would start falling down from there, okay? Let's look at a polynomial trend regression study to get a price prediction. And I will tie this to Bitcoin for you after we get a number here. 78.9. So earlier today, the Bitcoin trend regression study came out at 39.5. So this is a number, again, this is software. This is not my number. I find it to be pretty accurate, though, which is why I continually use it. If Bitcoin was at 39.5, this is 16 and a half days of data for trend. And this is also the median trading line, meaning there would be support at this level at 78.9. So that would be a strong support level if you do see Bitcoin start to falter and come down to 39.5, okay? Something to keep in mind. Guys, if you like these XRP updates, like the video, subscribe, get the updates. I will continue to make these daily. Do some digging, read some of that news about the possibility of XRP moving independently from Bitcoin. I found it interesting, and I talked to some traders that are very heavily invested in XRP. They had some interesting things to say, and some of those guys are in our room. So guys, if you like trading, if you like TA, check out our room. We have over 900 people there now. I think 150 joined yesterday alone. Link is in the video description. Everything you could possibly want is there. Come check us out. No risk, no obligation. Hope to see you guys in the room, and another update coming tomorrow.